Hi everyone, this is Nana Bansal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study by Now. In my previous videos, I already discussed with some type of matrices. In my today's session, I will discuss some other type of matrices. So let's start with transpose of a matrix. So what is a transpose of a matrix? If we have a matrix A, so when we interchange their rows with its column, then the resultant matrix is known as a transpose of matrix. For example, if A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 4. So this is our column 1 and this is our column 2. This is our row 1 and this is our row 2. So when we take it's a transpose, so what we have done? We have changed their rows with its respective column. So row 1 is 1, 2. So this will our column 1. Row 2 is 3, 4. So this is our column 2. So now in this matrix, the row 1 is changed with C1 and row 2 is changed with C2. Similarly, column 1 is changed with R1 and column 2 is changed with R2. So this is a transpose operation. There are some properties of the transpose which we discuss one by one. First property is if we have double transpose of a matrix, that means we have a transpose of A, then we take again, so we can get the matrix A. The next property is if we take the transpose of the resultant of A plus B, then it is similar to the A transpose plus B transpose. Next is if we have K A, then transpose. Here K is an constant, so it will equal to the K A transpose. K is taken as it is because it is a constant value, and for any constant value there is no transpose. The next property is we have a multiplication of A dot A into B. Then we take the transpose of the resultant. So it is similar to the B transpose, then multiply with the A transpose. Both the result will be same. The next type of matrix is a symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? A symmetric matrix are those matrices when we take the transpose of any matrix and it is same as the original matrix. It will discuss with the help of. So our example is we have 3 by 3 matrix and its elements are A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C. Now we will take its transpose. For the transpose of a matrix, the respective rows will be interchanged with the respective column. So our column 1 will be row 1 A, H, G. Our column 2 will be our row 2 H, B, F. And our column 3 will be our row 3 G, F, C. So as we see, A and A transpose both are similar. So this is an example of a symmetric matrix. Now what is a skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix is an opposite of a symmetric matrix. In a skew symmetric matrix, when we take a transpose of a matrix A, then its value will be the negative of a original matrix. So it will also discuss with the help of an example. So let's take an example. We have a 3 by 3 matrix and its elements are 0, minus A, B, A, 0, minus C, minus B, C and 0. Now we will take its transpose. So column 1, column 2 and column 3. So the row 1 will be now our column 1, 0, A minus B. Row 2 will be our column 2 and row 3 will be our column 3. Here the negative sign will become the positive and the positive sign will become the negative when we take the minus sign common. So this will equals to our the original matrix. So A transpose is equals to the minus of original matrix. So it is known as a skew symmetric matrix. Now we will prove that every matrix is a sum of a square matrix and its skew symmetric matrix. So A is equals to half A plus A, where 1A is a symmetric matrix and another A is a skew symmetric matrix. So if we add A dash and subtract the A dash in the above equation, it will not affect the equation. Now we will make a combination A plus A dash minus A minus A dash as we take common the negative sign in the next equation. So as we take the negative sign common, so it will give A minus A dash. Now we will split both the equation, that is A plus A dash upon 2 and A minus A dash upon 2. So A plus A dash upon 2, sorry, it will be a plus sign. We take negative sign inside, that's why A minus A dash and A minus A dash upon 2. This will be our P and this will be our Q. So A is equals to P plus Q, where P is equals to a symmetric matrix and Q is our skew symmetric matrix. Thank you for watching my video. For further updates, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any query, please drop the message in the comment section. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.